Look at that. We've got the big capital A right next to the little lowercase a.
Step 1, open wide. Step 2, make a really big, joyful ah sound. Let's try it. Okay, let's make that wonderful sound together. Say it with me. Ah, ah, ah.
Oh wow, look at our very first word. It's a big, shiny red apple.
Can you say apple? Make your best ah sound first. Ah, ah, apple. You got it.
Look who's here. It's a huge, friendly ant. And oh my goodness, he looks so wiggly. He's itchy. That means feeling a silly little tickle that just makes you want to wiggle everywhere.
Can you say itchy ant? Wiggle your arms and say it loud. Ah, ah, itchy ant. You just learned apple and itchy. Ant. Seriously, what amazing work you're doing today. Okay, now let's sing our magical letters super fast. Are you ready? A. Bouncing up and down just like a bouncy ball. C. Just like a beautiful shiny cup. Keep on singing. T2. Feel that upbeat rhythm? You are literally doing so great. E. Like a flying eagle soaring way up high. Keep that wonder going. Just like a cooling fan, we're almost at the end. G. You did it. What amazing singing and brilliant learning today, everyone.
Keep practicing. So what magical A words will you find next out in the real world?